you fucking losers, and welcome to Bitch Peas Dead. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make mac and cheese bites with that leftover mac and cheese because I figured it out the other day and they're actually pretty fucking lit, so I'm going to share it with you. Austin, don't look too fucking happy, dude. Let's start off with some tofurkey ham slices. Cut these up to be nice and thin and tiny. It doesn't have to be a great chop, just rough chop is fine. Pop it in like your little food processor. Get in there, you motherfucker. Wow, today's hard. So your leftover mac and cheese probably look like a sad lump of shit. You actually want it to be cold because then it like sticks together like glue. This looks like fucking poison. This is so fucked. Like, you get little cubes of mac and cheese. They're supposed to be hard because it's gonna make it stick. I know, it's heaps gross. Then you can go ahead and whiz it. Now you'll notice that it looks heaps fucking gross. You're gonna end up with like a mush. And it kind of looks like mashed potato. But that's okay because it actually makes it heaps easier to roll into little balls and shit. So just grab a little bit. Start rolling them into your little bites. You can make them as big as you want. So the next thing you want to do is get yourself some corn flour, add some water to it, and mix that fucker. And then you want some panko crumbs as well. It's gonna be fucking rad. So then you get these little motherfuckers. Oops, well, fuck me, I guess. Put that shit in some panko crumbs. And then you end up with like a cute little bite. It's not very fucking hard. It's literally like 4 steps, 5 steps. I don't know how many steps. There's a certain amount of steps that you have to, I can't be fucked. So when you're done, you'll have a bunch of these little guys. So then you just want to yeet these dudes into a frying pan. Fry the motherfuckers up. It ain't that hard. And then, I guess, eat them. Just cook them till they're like golden brown, and then you're fucking done. Now this shit does get really oily, so don't forget to like put it on some paper towel and let the oil drain out, or else you're just gonna get an oily... Zed, really? There you go, mac and cheese bites. Delicious. They're very hot, or else I would put one in my mouth right now. You're actually gonna eat it. You're gonna burn your tongue, dickhead. I told you! Why didn't you listen to me, you big fuckhead? Well, that's it from me. See you fuckers next week, I guess. I think I hate myself. No, I definitely hate myself. Hot.